Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you will have enjoyed this video. The backup power system of these Bluetooth earbuds is not working. Its main power supply or charging battery problem is happening. Today I will show you how to replace the main power supply battery. This battery basically works as a mini power bank as well. USB power is provided for charging it. But this gadget is not running in charge mode. A very small volt output from the charging terminal is basically useless. So this time I opened the Bluetooth earbuds very carefully. It includes a 3.7 volt battery charging module with built-in power bank systems, a 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery and a display module. Checking battery voltage. 0.53 volts is showing because the battery is dead. Remove the wires connecting the charging module from all terminals of the battery. This is a good quality 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. Battery condition is very good, which is showing 4.13 volts. I connected the battery to the charging module. Now set the charging module to the casing as before. Replace the ribbon on the display module. After setting up everything properly, I supplied the power. Now the Bluetooth earbuds main power is in charging mode and the earpieces are in charging mode. That I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video. Thank you very much and best wishes for you.